Hi all, welcome back to our channel. This video helps you to define vendors location and alerts in Odoo 15 Launch module. We can configure the Launch alerts, vendors and location using the configuration tab of the Launch dashboard. Odoo 15 Launch module ensure to develop of a new order and check the account history, cash moves, products and more aspects of user. Let us look at the importance of vendors alerts and location on the Odoo Launch dashboard. We can select the vendors menu from the configuration tab and see each vendor's details. You can access the place, email ID and vendor's name in the Kanban view. To get more information on the vendor, you can click on the specific vendor title and it is possible to make some changes using the edit button. The list view of the vendor window depicts the name, email and the phone number of each vendor separately. So to create a new vendor, can click on the create icon and a new window page will appear before you. Here we can enter the name of the vendor from the drop down menu. So the address, email, phone number and the company details will be added automatically. We can choose the days on which vendor is available for generating orders below the availability option. So we can enable the tick mark here. And it is possible to enter the name of extras provided along with recent quantities. So we can add the details of extras inside the title extra 1 label or extra 1 quantity. Then you can apply a maximum of 3 extras in this field. We can select the delivery or no delivery from the drop down menu and then we can enter the office location inside the orders tab. Then you can enable the send order as email or phone by the vendor. By activating the email option, a new space for order time is visible for you. Here we can add the time for email notification for the ordered item. And there is a space to add product name brought by the vendors and apply the price for items. For that, we can click on the add a line option inside the name title and can enter the details of the item here. So we can click on the save button to save this. And the vendor's created name and the addresses are visible here in this vendor's window. Most people look at the location such as the address related to the restaurant before booking a food item. The location of a food item has the same role as the ordered product quantity. Here you can see the lunch location of your companies in the list view. So here the details such as the location name, address and company are visible for users in the lunch location window. The Kanban view depicts the details of a lunch location of food orders including the name or address of the specific place. A new row is visible before you after clicking on the create icon and here you can define a new lunch location and enter the details of a particular location. After applying the information, can click on the save button and by clicking on the external link you will get the company details. Lunch alerts are beneficial for employees in a company at break time. So you can generate alerts in Odoo 15 Lunch module as a reminder for employees. So here we can see a list of lunch alerts created here. And the list view of the lunch alert window depicts the alert name display is displayed today and the active state here. In the campaign view, you can see the alert time received to everyone and the office name depicted. To create a new alert, can click on the create icon and it will direct to a new page. Here we can enter the alert name such as order before 11 or other alert regarding your food order. Then we can activate the display as alert in app or chat notification. After enabling the chat notification, an additional option recipient is visible to you. It includes several options such as everyone, employee who ordered last week, last month and last year. We can choose a recipients for chat notification as you need it. Moreover, we can enter the time of order below the notification time after enabling the chat notification option as shown here. Then we can choose the office address from the location option. It is possible to add multiple location here, and it is possible to set a date for the end of lunch alert from the short until option. After that, we can enable the active button to apply the alert, and also we can add any notes related to your order inside the messages option. Then the users can activate the dates on which the lunch alerts are received for customers through the notification tab. Now click on the save icon and your alert for the order generates automatically. So when we comes to the new orders dashboard, here we can see the newly created alert in this dashboard. And here we can see the office address, and also here we can see the vendor's details. So we can categorize according to the suitable vendors here. So the Odoo 15 Lunch module enables you to create a lunch alert, track the location, and develop a new vendors for food items. The individuals can easily place their orders and track them using the Odoo Lunch dashboard. The Lunch module's advanced feature assists in making lunch management for employees in a firm smoothly. So that's all about the video. Thank you for watching.